Good morning, children. How are you? Hope you all are well. See, Nana, in our last session, we have completed our 9th chapter. Today, we are going to discuss our 10th chapter, that is Ali Kogia and the Merchant of Baghdad. And the Merchant of Baghdad. What is the chapter name? Ali Kogia and the Merchant of Baghdad. Baghdad. Okay, children. Now let us discuss this story. What is this story about and what we are going to discuss regarding this story, children? Regarding this story, Nana, we have few characters, main characters. First, let me to tell you the main characters. First one, the narrator. Narrator is a person, children, those who will narrate a story, who will tell a story. Okay, narrating the story. The person who is telling us a story. The person who is narrating the story. Okay, this is one character related to the chapter, and the next character of the story is Ali Kogia. Who is Ali Kogia? Let us discuss, children. Who is Ali Kogia? See, Nana, a merchant of Baghdad. Baghdad is a city, and he was a merchant. Merchant of Baghdad. Okay, Ali Kogia is a merchant of Baghdad. And the next character of the story is merchant. What is the next character of the story, Nana? Merchant. Merchant is Ali Kogia's friend. Merchant is Ali Kogia's friend. Ali Kogia's friend. So in this way, children, we have main characters related to this topic. Who is Ali Kogia? What is his name? And who is merchant? Merchant is Ali Kogia's name. Few more characters are there. Two more characters. Nana, merchant's wife of Ali Kogia's friend, the merchant. I means his wife character. And boy, pretending to be Ali Kogia, his friend and the judge. Okay. Now let us have a brief explanation. What is this story about? See, children, this story is from the 1001 Nights about an honest merchant and his greedy friend. This story is about a merchant and his greedy friend. Okay, 1001 Nights is a collection of stories and folk tales from Middle East collected over many centuries. The stories revolve around the story of King Shahryar and his wife Shehnazad, who tells him one story every night for 1001 nights. Okay, now let us discuss the story which has been taken from 1001 nights. Okay, so this story revolves around a merchant and his friend, greedy friend. Now first scene of the play or first scene of the story, children. Narrator means the person telling us the story. In the region of the famous Caliph was the name of a Muslim ruler in ancient time. Caliph is a Muslim ruler, Nana, who lives in the ancient time. Okay. Now what we are discussing, children, here Caliph is a Muslim ruler. Okay, Muslim ruler of ancient time. Now see, children, before he left, he put his private treasury, 1,000 pieces of gold, into a large jar and covered the gold with olives. He carried it to a friend of his who was also a merchant. Sinana, Caliph Harun al-Rashid, there lived in Baghdad a merchant. See, once upon a time, there lives a merchant who is taking 1,000 gold coins along with him when he was going to do the business. And how he hid these biscuits, gold, he kept the gold biscuits down, and he kept olives on, he covered the gold with the olives. Okay, see Nana, what happened next. He carried it to a friend of his. He carried to this gold to his friend, who was also a merchant. Ali, my friend, in a few days I plan to leave on a long journey. Please keep this jar of olives safely for me till I return. See Nana, one friend Ali was going to a tour. Before leaving for the business, what he did, he kept all his gold in a jar, and he covered the gold with the olives, and he took the jar to his friend so that he can take care of that jar. Ali is talking to his friend, friend, I am going for a journey. You take this jar and keep along with you until I return. Merchant, oh, of course, dear friend. Take the key to my warehouse and set your jar where you please. You shall find it there when you return. Now the friend gave the key of his warehouse where he has to keep the jar. Now here I have given you the characters Caliph, and we are discussing the story related to the merchant. Okay. So here when Ali was going back, going to a journey, he gave the jar of gold to his friend. He covered the gold with the olives. See what happens next. Merchant, of course, dear friend. His friend gave the key of his warehouse where he has to keep the gold. There he took the key and he kept the gold there, and he returned. Next scene 2. What happens to see next? Narrator. Ali Kogia's journey lasted 7 long years. Means Ali Kogia traveled for 7 years. 7 long years. All this time his friend the merchant neither thought of him nor of the jar. One evening during dinner, the merchant's wife mentioned that she had not tasted any olives for a long time. Merchant, Ali Kogia left a jar of olives with me 7 years ago. When the caravan came back, they told me he had gone to Egypt. He must be dead by now, since he has not returned in all this time. Let us eat the olives if they are still good. Merchant's wife. Now see Nana, what happened when Ali gave the jar of olives, he kept in the warehouse of the merchant, and it has been 7 years when he has not returned the home for the olive jar. So his friend also forgot about the jar. One day when Ali Cog's friend eating dinner, his wife came near to him and asked, I did not eat olives for a long time. So the Ali Cog's friend merchant gave reply that few years back Ali Kogia kept olive jar in my warehouse and he did not return, and I am thinking he may be dead. So you can take the jar of olives from there, and if still they are good enough to eat, we can have it. Now after 7 years they thought of the jar. They did not think even these 7 years. See children, in our next session, I'll explain you what happens with the jar of the gold. See, I'll show you some pictures related to the story. Here, both the friends are talking to each other. If you observe, Ali and the merchant. And here, Nana, they gave the meanings related to the topic, and here they gave the main characters of the story. Now coming to here warm up story, Nana, I did not tell you the warm up exercise. Match these proverbs with their meanings. There has been given proverbs in this side, and you have to match the meanings, correct meaning you have to find out for each proverb and you have to match it. This is like a warm up exercise for us. And in our next session, children, I will discuss with you the remaining story of Ali Kogya and the Merchant of Baghdad. Very interesting story, children. Already I have told you the few part of the story. Okay, how the greedy merchant took all gold of Ali Kogya. Next session we are going to discuss. Have a nice day, all of you.